In economics, for most common goods, if the price P's go up, then the quantity or the sales go down. Or to stimulus growth in sales, if the price go down, then a company would hope that the quantity sold go up. Usually, when the company determined to increase the price, they need to consider the sensitivity or how sensitive it is the market or the consumers respond to the increase in the price. If they increase the price too much, too high, the quantity might go down, meaning the revenue will drop. Although the price is now increased, they are selling less, resulting in lower revenue. At the same time, if they increase the price just a little and the quantity does go down, but it doesn't go down as much, so the increase in the price will offset the decrease in the quantity. In that case, that offset amount will not bring the revenue down. So the revenue will still be increasing even though the price go up. So for example, if the price go up by 1%, but the quantity go down by 0.5%. In this case, the increase in the price is more than offset the decrease in the quantity, so the revenue goes up. However, if the price go up by 1% and it results in the 2% decrease in the quantity, then the revenue would go down. The quantity is very sensitive to the change in the price. If we increase the price but the revenue still go up, then we say that the demand is inelastic. If increasing the price would lower the revenue, we would say that the demand is elastic. Thus, elasticity is the measure of how sensitive the quantity reacts to the change in the increase in the price. Now, suppose we have the quantity functioned in terms of the price, where P is the price per item and Q is the number of items sold. If we increase the price by a small change in the price, delta P, the percentage increase in the price is delta P over P times 100%. So for example, let's just say that if the price is $100 and we increase it by $1, then $1, the change in the price over the original price 100 times 100, which is 1%. And so this is the percentage change in the price. The percentage change in the quantity is therefore delta Q over the original quantity times 100%. But we expect the quantity to go down, so the quantity is negative. The ratio between the two percentages is called the elasticity of demand or the price elasticity of the demand. The ratio for the elasticity is denoted using the letter E in most cases in economics. E equals the percentage change in the demand, which is negative delta Q over Q, over the percentage change or the percentage increase in the price, delta P over P. If we were to rearrange this, we have negative delta Q over Q times the reciprocal of the denominator, which is P over delta P. Rearranging this further, we have negative delta Q over delta P times P over Q. The percentage change in the price is usually very small. And in calculus, we are talking about the limit, meaning the limit as delta p go to 0. But when it happens, the negative delta q over delta p, as delta p go to 0 is the approximation of a derivative negative dq over dp. This is the definition of the derivative, or q prime, but using Leibniz notation, dq over dp, where this is the negative sign. What this means is the elasticity E is negative dq over dp times p over q. If we have the function for the quantity in terms of the price, we can compute the price elasticity of the demand, and it is denoted by E. If E is greater than 1, if this quantity is greater than 1, then we would say that the demand is elastic, meaning changing in the price, increasing the price will lower the revenue. In this case, we say that the demand reacts strongly to the price change, elastic. If the elasticity is less than 1, then we would say that the demand is inelastic. And if E equals 1, then we say that the demand has the unit elasticity.